Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you are new here, please make sure that you subscribe, you like this video, and leave a comment in the comment section down below. What do you think of today's topic? Now guys, today's story time, this story time is very juicy. Get yourself a drink. This one needs a drink because what in the witchcraft is happening here on earth? Hey Banna. Hey Vanna. Hey. So guys, yeah, the story happened I think like 3 years ago when I used to stay at Rest. Yeah, this happened like 3 years ago when I used to stay at Rest. Ne? So when I used to stay at Rest, I was that kid that didn't want to go home, guys. Like, I've been in the township for such a long time, so I was like, you know what, Jay, this is my chance to live the life in the burbs. The burbs in Johannesburg. Yeah, so my rest was here at Johannesburg CBD. I was in the wishy wish that was happening there by the CBDs, you know. So Kesana, I was that girl that didn't want to go home. Most of the times I would be at Rest. Even when kids would go home for holidays, I would like stay for 1 week and then come back. I would just go when there's something like that needs me to be there, you know. Maybe there's a ceremony or maybe I miss them, but I would spend like maybe 2 months not going home, just there and listening to my spacey. I have enough food. NSFAS is giving us money. I have free Wi-Fi. Like, why would I go back to Elangaville? Where there's load shedding, where there's no network, you need to be on top of a tree. I was that girl. So I had a roommate from Eastern Cape. Yo, disclaimer, I'm not saying people from the Eastern Cape are bad or they are all like that. I'm just sharing my experience. Okay, I was from the Eastern Cape. She was doing first year by that time, and I think I was doing my last year. Yeah. So girl was from the Eastern Cape, who, you know, when she got to Rest, like, we welcomed her, you know, because I know what it feels like to be doing your first year and not having friends, you know. So I tried to befriend her. I tried making conversations with her, and she was such a lovely person, you know. Now, Sana, she was that person who didn't go home more often because Eastern Cape, guys, it's far, and she told me it's like, I don't know, 550 or 500 or 700, you know, the ticket for the bus. So it was expensive for her, so she would like go during June holidays because it was, I think it was 6 weeks or 5 weeks, I can't remember. And then she would also go during December holidays, you know. It makes sense. So now, okay, I was always man in her room, you know. I would just go to her room, but we were sharing the kitchen and the bathroom. She had her own room and I was also in my own room. So I was like always, you know, trying to make conversations with her, you know, trying to be nice, you know, so that she doesn't feel left out and so on. Girl, this other time she's like, she's going to buy groceries, ne? So she's like, I'm going to buy groceries. I'll be back just now. And I'm like, okay, girl, sharp. Well, I mean, I was busy with something, I can't remember, so I couldn't go with her. But most of the time, like, we would go together, you know. So I'm like, hey, okay, I get to buy groceries. I'm left like alone in jail. And then I wanted my comb, ne, from her bedroom. I wanted my comb because she didn't have a comb, so we were sharing the same comb. I didn't mind, guys, and I didn't mind. Like, she was such a good girl, and I mean, I'm a people's person, like, you know, I don't discriminate like that. So after taking a shower, I'm like, hey, I need my comb, and it's in that other room, you know. So let me go get it. No, so I'm just going to get the comb only. And guys, one thing you need to note, Kesana, her room was always locked. It was always locked, guys, even when she's inside, you know. So I think maybe she wanted to keep it private, you know. But what she didn't know was that laphayana, the keys in the bedroom ziyavulelana, like I don't know how to say this in English, but I was able to use my key to open her door, and she was also able to use her key to open the door to my bedroom. So she didn't know that. I'm sure she's doing first year. Okay, so all that information she didn't know, and it didn't even cross my mind to tell her, we take girl, IKEA is like it's the same, So I was like, hey, I need my comb, and then when I tried to open it was locked, and I was like, I need to go somewhere, so I need to comb my hair. I use my key, I open her bedroom. What I saw there, I don't know, maybe it was Kazini. I opened the room, okay, it was dark, ne? Even the curtains like are closed, and I'm like, hey man, umnyama lana, when I just switch the light on, like hey banna. I don't even know how to say this. So guys, when they slaughtering like an animal, ne, when they take off like the head, and then and then it gets dry, and then some people they would even use it as a decoration. I don't know, people used to put it like on their doors when you enter. That's what I saw. A dress. This girl, I remember, man, very well. When I was growing up, there was this house. I don't know this kind of animal, Casey, but those animals with horns, like what's this animal, Casey? Oh, Mariniayas, Nani, you have seen it. And I'm like inside, when I walk. So I'm sure I turned back to switch on the light, and then when I was like, kunenhloko with a very big horn on top of the door. I don't know how to say this, but like emnyango guys, phezulu. So mawungena wena undlula phansi kwayo le nhloko le, but you wouldn't see it when you are outside because it's inside the bedroom. That head, it still had eyes. I don't know if maybe it's fake or in only, but the eyes were still there, and I felt like this thing is looking at me. Hey bana. And I'm like, is this maybe some kind of a protection or what? Then I tell myself, you know what? Let me take the comb and leave this room before I faint. I opened the wardrobe here where we used to put like our, toiletries. The wardrobe was divided, and then Pezulu, there's a space where you can put your toiletries and don't. Here I opened the wardrobe. Here, guys, in the Vaseline that she was using. The Vaseline was mixed, guys. It was mixed with things like I don't know what medicine is that or what is it for. It has those goddors and that pink thing that some people used to bath with. I don't know, some people even say it's for luck, I don't know, but the Vaseline was pink. It has those goddors, and I was like, at that point, even my skin, like I feel like something is now I'm getting scared. This girl is going to come back while I'm in this bedroom. I need to hurry up and go, but now I'm so interested. What else can I find here? That's Papa. And now I start searching, but now I'm curious. What happened? I am starting to search now, guys. I searched, and then but I was not like messing things up so that it can be obvious that I was searching, but I started to search. Tell me why this girl, in her bag that she used to take to campus, most us girls, we like looking cute with those tote bags and don't. Tell me why that bag had a skin snake. Tell me why that bag had a skin snake. Like the skin when the snake is, guys, I used to do life science, but I forgot about these terms. Like when there's, I think it's shedding or something, when the skin is shedding, that thing that comes off, and then so that the snake can have a new skin. What do they call this thing? And then but yeah, it was not like the real skin, but it was that shading, you know, the way it, guys, Nina, it was still very like, you know, and even it was even rolled in J. But it was for a smaller nyana snake, not big snake. And I was like, hey, Con, there's more in this bedroom. That's why it's always locked. This girl is witchcrafty. This girl is witchcrafty. She's not doing witchcraft. She is witchcraft. And then now I start thinking of all the times that I used to eat her food, the food that we shared together. I was like, this girl is witchcrafty. She's not doing witchcraft. She is the witchcraft herself. A 20-year-old. And then now I start panicking, you know, and I'm like, I close the bag quickly. But something is, yes, guys, something keeps telling me to dig. I'm like, something keeps telling me to, girl, keep on looking in that wardrobe, guys. And I start searching in wardrobes, and then I lift up the mattress. So the beds that we had in that dress were the single beds, with I don't know how to say this, guys. English is not my mother's mouth. So with the legs, it was just a steel bed with the mattress on top. I start lifting the mattress. Guys, be careful. If you are still a student, you are at rest now, be careful who you make friends with. Be careful. Okay, Mina and this girl, we were not that close, but we were not friends. She was just my roommate. When I lift that mattress, Kaizini, so this girl had a tendency to, when NSFAS like sends us money, she would withdraw all her money. She was like, no, she doesn't trust banks. I was like, so she would always withdraw all her money. Okay, she buys groceries and buys toiletries, and then the money that is left, she was putting it under the mattress. Guys, in that money, it was rolled in red. It was rolled in, like it was packed, and then there's another stash there, there's another stash, but not a lot of money, maybe like 500, 200, 300 for this month, that month, and that month, It was packed like that, and then it was rolled with a red string. You know those wools, man, if you grew up going to church as Zion, we used those wools like for making, guys, some even use the green wools, they are ready wool in J4, and even also traditional healers, they use those wools to make things like, the man was wrapped in that red wool, and I'm like, bathong, Ritloshwa mosmo, Ritloshwa. I was like, you know what, let me get out of here before she comes back, because what if she comes back here and then she unalives me? What I must do? I go back to the wardrobe now to take the comb, because the comb is the reason I'm in this room. And I put back the mattress, I fix the blankets, I go back to the wardrobe, I take the comb. But now when I lift the comb, like it was an Afro comb, so when I lift the comb like this, underneath there's a small teddy bear. There's a small teddy bear, guys. I don't know where she got that teddy bear, because those teddy bears are just rare to find. Small teddy bear like this. It has needles in Swana. It has needles. Like needles. There were small needles in there. Everywhere. And then it's also wrapped with that red wool. And then you're fasiwa. And I'm like, people are suffering for their lives outside when we're fasile la. Wabege wardrobe yako. I took the comb, Kazini. I went out, switched off the lights and locked the door. Because nje I was fearing for my life, Usana. Ngithi nina sizofa. You know, I thought at first I thought of telling her ukuthi the key like ziyahambelana, you can open my room, I can open yours. But after seeing that, I was like, cha soze. I am not telling this girl that she has access to my room even when I'm not here. You know? So when she came back again, days after, when she started looking for the comb, I was like, no, you gave me the comb, like, don't you remember you gave me the comb? She was like, oh, I gave it to you. I didn't. I can't remember, but please borrow me the comb. I didn't even tell her that, hey, when I went to your room, I saw witchcraft there when you are witchcraft. I couldn't, son, I couldn't. I feared for my life. And after that, Shemai, I was no longer sharing my food with her. I was no longer doing, you know, some of the things, like I was no longer comfortable with them. After that, our relationship became, I was like greeting her and then going to my room. Even when I make food, like I would make food and make sure that I make something that I will eat now, not something that I will have to put in the fridge. And then and then the following year she moved out, girl. She moved out to another room. Maybe she saw what Valley I was acting like funny towards her, but I was scared for my life, Nami. Hi, Sana. I've never seen such, especially for a 20-year-old. Hi guys, be careful of the friends that you choose. Even if someone just seems like they are nice, they are don't, be careful. Be careful. Witchcraft is real, Kesana. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, please comment down below, guys. Do you have any witchcraft stories? Because I will see you on my next one. Bye.